we're going to look at an example where the original price was $58.95, okay? But then there was all of a sudden a discount, a sale. There was a sale going on. So the discount was, let's say, okay, 15% off. So we want to know how much money are we going to save? What is the discount going to be, right? So we need to calculate 15% of the original price. Okay, we're taking the original price and we need to calculate what is the discount. So we need to turn this 15% into a decimal. Divide by 100, it becomes 0.15. Of means times, and we're multiplying it by the original price. What do you get? Calculate it. We get 8.8425, but I want to know what that is as a dollar amount. Remember, we don't have pennies anymore. We forgot about this earlier. So it's approximately equal to what? $8.85. Even though, no, because even though this is 2, why do we have to round it to 85 cents? Pardon? We have to round it to the nearest nickel because we don't pay for pennies anymore, right? We don't have pennies anymore, so we have to round it off to $8.85. So what this represents right now is the discount. Here's my chair. The original price of the chair, we were talking about a chair here, is $58.95. I know that because of this sale, because of the discount, I'm going to save $8.85. So we need to calculate the sale price. We are taking the original price, which was what? 58, what was the original price? $58.95. We're subtracting the discount, which is $8.85. By subtracting, right, a discount is a savings. They're taking money off. We will find our sale price. So what is it? $50.10. If you went to the cashier to pay for this, is the cashier going to ask you for $50.10? Why not? We live in Ontario. We need to pay 13% tax. To calculate tax, first method is just to calculate the tax. I want to know how much tax am I paying on this item? Well, we know tax is 13%. I'm paying 13% of the sale price. What was the sale price again? Yep. I'm only paying tax on the sale price. I'm not paying tax on the original price. This is how much the item costs now. So I'm paying tax on that. 0.13 times 50.10 equals 513. I want to know what that is. How much tax am I paying? We got to round it. Artie? $6.50. Excellent. So we know that tax, this is how much the government's taking from us. So when I go to the cash register and I want to know what is the total with tax, what do I have to do to calculate the total now? Good. We take the sale price and we add the tax because obviously you have to add on the tax. So $50.10 plus $6.50. What is the total that the cashier is going to ask me to pay? $56.60. Okay, so there's another method. The item cost $50.10 on sale, right? Earlier, I just showed you how to calculate tax and then you add it all together. We can do this all in one shot. Instead of multiplying it by 0.13, you can multiply it by 1.13. That's going to give you the total with tax all together. What was the answer of the total with tax? $56.60. So if you multiply it by 1.13, think about it. Look here. You're multiplying it by 0.13 and you're multiplying it by 1. That means it's adding in the price. $50.10 times 1 is $50.10, right? So try this on your calculator. 50.10 times 1.13, what should you get? $56.60. It's all in one shot.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.